In this video, I'm going to show you find and unhide hidden apps on your Android phone. You can follow this guide easily restore the hidden apps. Let's get started. First of all, take your phone, then open the settings page. In the settings menu is open, scroll through the page. You can find the home screen option. Tap to open it. In the home screen page open, scroll down slowly. This time you can find the hide apps on home and app screen option or similar name. Simply tap on there to open the page. At the very top you can find the hidden apps section. Here you all currently hidden apps listed there. Find the app if you want to unhide. For example, I'm unhide this Bixby app. Simply tap on the minus sign next to their name. Or however, if you want to decide to unhide all of hidden apps at the one time or same way, simply remove the all hidden apps listed there, then confirm by tapping the down top right corner. Then you have successfully done. To check this process work or not, go back to home screen, open app door and swipe right to left or left to right. You can see all of the hidden apps, unhide them easily. That's it guys. Hopefully this guide will help you. Like this video, also subscribing to my channel, support them.